Hello friend, today I am going to show you how you optimize your Windows machine for gaming in just 2 minutes, okay? Just 2 minutes. The first option, you have to set your Windows system to performance. How to increase your system performance? You can right click and you can go to display setting or anywhere. So you can go anywhere, okay? You can see here Windows, you can go accounts, but you have to first go to gaming. In the gaming option, go to the game bar. Make sure that game bar is off. Okay. Make sure your game bar must be off. Game bar off होना चाहिए. Okay. Then you go back. You can see game mode. Game mode must be on. Game mode on होना चाहिए. Okay. Then go to the graphics. And you go to the graphics. You can see here optimization for Windows games. This will be on by default. Go to advanced graphics setting here. And you see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, make it on. And if it shows some flickering, then you can disable it. Okay. If it shows any problem, if creating any problem for you. Okay. Now the next option is press Windows plus R key and here type msconfig. Then go to the startup, go to the open task manager, and from startup you need to remove some unnecessary software. Startup से अननेसेसरी सॉफ्टवेयर को हटाना पड़ेगा, ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर जिसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. हाउ टू रिमूव देम? यू कैन सिंपली सी दीज आर द सॉफ्टवेयर. सम सॉफ्टवेयर आर इनेबल्ड, सम आर डिसेबल्ड. ओके. सपोज यू डोंट वांट एनी सॉफ्टवेयर, सो यू कैन जस्ट राइट क्लिक एंड इनेबल और डिसेबल. ओके. So you can see this is the mouse one, this software is enabled. If you want to disable it, you can disable it. Okay. So these are the option from where you can disable unnecessary software which you don't want during a startup, so that your all the memory goes to your games, ताकि आपको जितने भी मेमोरी है आपके गेम्स पे फोकस हो. Then the next thing is defragmentation. So press Windows and search defragmentation. You can see this option, defragment and optimize drive. Go here and optimize your C drive. So select the C drive and click on optimize. This will optimize your drive and it will be better for your gaming. Okay. So अपने हार्ड ड्राइव को ऑप्टिमाइज जरूर करना बीच बीच में हर कुछ समय के बाद. नाउ क्लीन द अननेसेसरी डेटा यूजिंग command clean mgr. So just type Windows plus R and then type your clean mgr and then press on OK. Click on OK and then select all those file, all the unnecessary. Okay. So and it will delete all the unnecessary file and also create some space in your system. ये सिस्टम के जितने भी कचड़े होते हैं, आप विंडोज़ इंटरनेट एक्सेस करते हो, उससे जो डेटा आते हैं एक्स्ट्रा डेटा, उन सबको ये डिलीट कर देगा. ठीक है. अननेसेसरी डेटा विल बी डिलीटेड फ्रॉम हियर. ओके. नाउ you go to Windows again, and if you are using like system setting and all these things, suppose you are using Discord, so you can see I am using Discord. So how to disable the Discord? So go to Discord, go to game overlay. Discord में you have to go to game overlay and turn off. Okay, game overlay, and you can see enable overlay, that must be turned off. So I have already turned off the game overlay in the डिस्कॉर्ड ऐप. डिस्कॉर्ड ऐप में गेम मेमोरी ऑप्शन को डिसेबल रखना है, ये भी आपका मेमोरी कंज्यूम करता है. ओके. नाउ वी हैव द स्टीम एप्लीकेशन. सो गो टू द स्टीम ऐप. इफ यू आर यूजिंग स्टीम, सो यू नीड टू गो टू स्टीम. सो लेट्स गो टू द स्टीम. नाउ गो टू द स्टीम, क्लिक ऑन स्टीम, go to the settings. In settings and go to in game. You can see in game here, and by default if you are enable the Steam overlay, this is enabled, this first option is enabled, disable it. Always disable Steam overlay option. Okay. So this must be disabled, don't enable it, the first option. Okay. Now this was the most important one. Now after this, what you see, the power plan. So if you see power plan, so choose a power plan, go here, you see balance and high performance. If you are a gaming, if you are doing gaming, choose this option, high performance, and then you can close it. Okay, high performance and close it. Now you can see the personalize option and all these things. You can see my computer, you can go to properties. Here you can see advanced system setting, go to advanced system setting, go to advanced, and here you can see the performance mode, go to settings, and if you want best performance, you can just select here adjust for best performance option, and this will like a little bit reduce the graphical things like icons and all these things, and make your system smooth. Okay, make your system faster. So if you have lower RAM, low end CPU, you must use this option adjust for best performance and click on OK, and it will be done. But since I have a good PC, I am going to use the first option. Okay, so these are the few options which will help you to optimize your PC for gaming and make your Windows system faster, running smoother. आपका सिस्टम ये सारी सेटिंग करने के बाद मस्त मक्खन चलेगा, किसी तरह की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी। और जितने भी ऑप्शन बचाएं ये सारे ऑप्शन आप अपने सिस्टम में करके देख लेना। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी थ्रू द कमेंट सेक्शन।